Welcome back to the Autoland, your trusted source for the most powerful machines in the world. Military, off-road, and beyond. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming beasts we're going to feature. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about developments in armored warfare, the T-61 Army Tank 2026. A tank that's redefining what ground dominance looks like in the modern battlefield. The T-61 is not just another upgrade. It's a next-generation main battle tank built with cutting-edge technology, intelligent systems, and advanced firepower. Designed to outperform in high-threat environments, the T-61 is built for multi-domain warfare, on the ground, in urban conflict zones, and in digital warfare scenarios. This machine is Russia's response to modern NATO threats and a symbol of tactical evolution in armored combat. At first glance, the tank carries the classic silhouette of the T-series, but every inch is upgraded. It uses a composite armor reinforced with reactive explosive panels and optional electromagnetic shielding. That means it doesn't just survive hits, it actively counters them. Enemy rounds, drones, and missiles are intercepted before they even make contact. With an active protection system integrated into the turret, the T-61 can track and neutralize incoming threats in real time. The main cannon is where things get even more serious. The T-61 comes with a fully redesigned 130mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing next-generation kinetic energy penetrators and programmable airburst rounds. Its autoloader has been improved for faster cycling, allowing for quicker targeting and reduced reload times. But it's not just about raw firepower, it's about precision. The tank is guided by AI-assisted fire control systems that calculate trajectory, wind, range, and even the angle of armor on the target to guarantee maximum damage. Let's talk mobility. The T-61 runs on a 1,600 horsepower hybrid diesel-electric engine, making it not only more fuel efficient but also stealthier in operation. It can run silently on electric power for short distances, perfect for ambushes and urban warfare. It can hit speeds of 70 kilometers per hour on road and 50 kilometers per hour off-road. With adaptive suspension and auto-leveling tracks, this tank is built for aggressive terrain, steep inclines, and harsh battlefield conditions. It's not just a tank, it's a mobile fortress. Inside, the T-61 is almost like a cockpit from the future. Gone are the analog dials and mechanical levers. In their place, there are fully digital interfaces, 360-degree camera vision, night vision, infrared targeting, and real-time battlefield data integration. The three-man crew operates with complete battlefield awareness, thanks to augmented reality overlays and AI assist tech. The commander, gunner, and driver all get live updates from drones, satellites, and ground support, meaning they always know what's coming. And yes, the T-61 comes with drone integration. It can deploy small aerial drones for reconnaissance and laser targeting, giving it a major edge in intelligence gathering. This is crucial in today's warfare, where information is as powerful as firepower. It also includes anti-drone measures with onboard radar jammers and EM pulse emitters designed to disable enemy UAVs within a limited range. One of the biggest highlights is the auto land feature. If the driver is incapacitated, the tank can navigate itself out of danger using terrain data and AI pathfinding. This also means autonomous convoy travel is possible, allowing unmanned tanks to follow crewed units safely through enemy zones or high-risk areas. The T-61 is built with future warfare in mind. It's scalable, upgradable, and modular. That means its weapon systems, armor, and electronics can all be upgraded without replacing the entire tank. It's not just a vehicle, it's a long-term investment in battlefield superiority. This tank isn't just a threat, it's a message. A statement that in 2026, modern warfare is no longer about who has more tanks, it's about who has smarter ones. And with the T-61, Russia is showing the world they're ready for whatever the future battlefield holds. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the T-61 Army Tank 2026, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let us know in the comments what military vehicle or technology you want us to cover next. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ready.